It's time
to fire this thing up.
Hit it.
John, I see you got the hard top back here from Vectorworks. It's fit to the boat and it looks great, but it's still dull and we got a lot of work to get done in a short amount of time, I know, to get you ready for the Miami Boat Show.
A lot of boat hulls, when they first come out of the mold or the different parts, they're not completely shiny, and boat builders do need to do some prep work onto the parts to get them to look absolutely fabulous. And where should we begin? Should we get that hard top off of the vessel so we're not kind of fighting around all the pipes into the hardtop frame?
Yeah, so we'll get it down here onto the sawhorses. We're going to wet sand it. Now, a lot of guys like to wet sand all the way through to finer and finer and finer grit. You only need to take it to a P800 for us today, because what we're going to do is we're going to use our Buff Magic system, and this will take it from about a P800 all the way through to your final finish mirror shine.
This is why the boat manufacturers love this Buff Magic, is because it takes out literally so many man hours. Instead of having 3 different grit rubbing compounds, it's variable, so it breaks down, so you can take it from that 800 grit down to mirror finish.
Correct.
Okay, fantastic. I see you brought a lot of machines.
Yes.
What do we have?
So I got you a whole bunch of machines. We're going to have a whole crew working on it at once so we can get you done real fast. Our rotary polish that you see here, we've got it all set up with our Buff Magic cutting pad. This is going to be our first set of passes with the Buff Magic to get it all the way down. Then we're going to come back with our dual action with our Buff Magic cutting pad, and this is going to bring out that final finish and make sure there are no swirl marks in it because of the unique motion of this.
Okay, where do we kind of finish up to where we're ready for the boat show?
Then once we're all set and it's a mirror finish, we're going to swap this out to our Pro Polish pad. We're going to put a quick layer of Pro Polish on it. This is going to preserve and protect that shine for the show.
Hey, well, good deal, you made it. Hi, I'm John Graviscus. This is Barry Burhoff from Surehold Industries, and we are in all-out mode on the Taco Marine Project boat, this time on Shipshape TV. We're going to be finishing up the hard top, making it look presentable. We're going to be putting in port lights into the vessel. Now, the designers from Glen Raven, they make Sunbrella, along with the team at Canvas Designers. They're going to be continuing on with the interior on the boat. We have to get this ready for its first public debut, and we also have some electrical work to do, Barry. And speaking of that electrical work, let's real quick hear from Mike Miller over at Pacer Group. They're the company that made the brand new wiring harness for the Pursuit, as well as the dash panel. So Mike, if we could, take it away.